Welcome on board. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. The best is yet to come, so remain connected. Please kindly do me a favor by like, share, and comment. It means a whole lot to me if you can do so. And if you are just joining us, kindly join this community because an amazing moment once in a while. Title for this one is Backbiter. Now back then Backbiter. Now back then DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Let's go.